Hello, my name is Hannah Hawcroft, and I am going into my senior year at the University of Michigan Flint. I began working with Youth Arts Unlocked as a research assistant 1 year ago. This nonprofit organization brings arts programs to youth at a Flint, Michigan detention center, the Genesee Valley Regional Center. We have become even more creative in 2020. When informed that we would not be able to provide programs inside the detention center due to COVID-19, our staff began brainstorming ways to continue bringing art lessons to them. The first virtual class periods were kept simple as we introduced ourselves and checked in with the youth. Discovering how this method of video conferencing works and what areas of each program were a practical fit for digital interaction is a continuous process. Our understanding of virtual programming has opportunities to develop with each class held. It is unrealistic to expect technology to work smoothly during each use. Despite some of the issues with audio or space, our staff members work together to find new techniques to implement during the workshops to improve the experience, including updating equipment and, when needed, adapting to the space and technology available. The virtual sessions are performing arts programs that are about 45 minutes to 1 hour in length. Our theater class has warm-up activities, improv scenes, meaning without a script, and exercises that teach and build their main actor toolkit of voice, body language, and imagination. There are 2 sessions back-to-back, and we see all the boys each week, compared to in-person when we saw one wing of the population and the other wing attended visual arts for 6-month period. The virtual dance class incorporated current dance challenges while continuing our discussions about the inspiring artists beyond the popular trends. While I have observed theater and dance in person and occasionally participated, attending and teaching yoga class is brand new to me. Our teaching artist is working on ways to include more parts from the in-person format into our virtual classes. Additionally, there is an optional boys strength and stretching class that we began offering when there were no girls to hold a yoga class for. I've been assisting in teaching this boys class. Now I'd like to direct your attention to the Art Packet Spotlight. During this period of distant learning, Youth Arts Unlocked is offering weekly art packets for the boys' visual arts and girls' spoken word. The detention center staff helps facilitate these class periods by setting out materials, answering questions in class as best they can. Youth Arts Unlocked provides the art packets and a short pre-recorded video lesson for visual arts by our teaching artist. This spotlight shows Andy Warhol's pop art piece titled Colored Campbell Soup Cans. That was the inspiring example. The below images are by the youth. The pizzas are a completed piece, and the basketballs demonstrate a work in progress with more detail. Looking forward, we are planning to gather survey feedback from the youth and use that information to continue to help improve the class periods and overall programs provided. We will still have our teaching artists reflect on each class and seek growth from these experiences. The virtual programs will be in place through September 2020. Thank you to the Youth Arts Unlocked team. Funding was provided by the Undergraduate Research Opportunity Program and by the Flint Truth and Action Partnership Project. Thank you.